Hello, my name is Surya Pratap and my seminar presentation is on ethical hacking. And this presentation covers the following. First of all, I will be introduce you by the ethical hacking. Then I will be tell you what is the ethical hacking. Then we will be talk about hackers. What is a hacker and what kind of hackers are there. Then I will be tell you the hacking process and why do we need the ethical hacking. Require skills of ethical hacker. What do hackers do after hacking? Advantage and disadvantage of ethical hacking, future enhancement. Then finally we will be talk about conclusion. First, introduction. Ethical hacking, also known as a penetration testing or white hat hacking, involve the same tools, tricks, and techniques that hacker use, but with one major difference that ethical hacking is legal. Ethical hacking. Independent computer security professionals breaking into computer system. Neither damage the system nor steal the information. Evaluate target system security and report back to the owner about the vulnerability found. What is the hackers? A hacker who enjoy learning details of programming language or system. A hacker who enjoy actually doing the programming rather than theorizing about it. A person capable of appreciating someone else hacking. A person who pick up programming quickly. A person who is an expert at particular programming language or system. Types of hackers. First, black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and grey hat hacker. Black hat hacker. A black hat hacker or cracker are individuals with extraordinary computing skill, restoring to malicious or destructive activity. That is, black hat hacker use their knowledge and skill for their own personal gain, probably by hurting others. White hat hacker. White hat hacker are also those individuals, professional, professing hacker skills and using them for defensive purpose. This means that white hat hacker use their knowledge and skill for the good of others and for the common good. Grey hat hacker. They are individuals who work both efficiently and defensively at the various times. We cannot predict their behavior. Sometimes they use their skill for common good, while in some other time he use them for their personal gain. Hacking process. In the hacking process, there is a four steps are there: footprinting, scanning, gaining access, and maintaining access. Footprinting. In the footprinting is done by the three lookup. Who is lookup, NS lookup, and IP lookup. And scanning is done by the four things: port scanning, network scanning, fingerprinting, and firewalking. Gaining access, password attacks, and social engineering and viruses. Maintaining access. After gaining the access, it need to be maintain the access. And in order to maintain access, the three things here are used: OS, backdoors, trojans, and clear tracks. Why do we need ethical hacking? The protection from possible external attacks. The possible external attacks are social engineering, and organization attack, and automated attack, and DOS, virus trojans, and horses, and accidental breaches in the branches. Required skill of ethical hacker. In order to become ethical hacker, the following skills are required: Microsoft skill in operation, configuration, and management. Linux knowledge of Linux, security setting, configuration, and services. Firewall configuration and operation of intrusion detection and system. Router, and the hacker should have the knowledge of router, how the router are works, and the knowledge of mainframe, and then network protocol, just like that TCP/IP. Project management, leading, planning, organizing, controlling a penetration testing team. What do hacker do after hacking? Patch security hole the other hacker can't introduce, and clear logs and hide themselves. Install rootkit, backdoor, just like the backdoor. The hacker who hacked the system can use the system later. It contains virus and so on. Install IRC related program. Install scanner program just like that mscan, sscan, nmap. Install exploit program. Install denial of service program. Use all the installed programs silently. Now the advantage of ethical hacking. To catch a thief, you have to think like a thief. It is a quote, and it's a true. We can't catch a thief without thinking like a thief. Help in closing the open holes in system network. Professional security to banking and financial establishment. Prevents website defacement. And finally, an involving technique. Disadvantages are all depends on trustworthiness of the ethical hacking, and hiring professionals is expensive. Future enhancement. As it involves a branch, the scope of enhancement is technology is immense. No ethical hacker can ensure the system security by using the same technique repeatedly. More enhancement softwares should be used for optimum protection. Conclusion. In the preceding section, we saw the methodology of hacking, why should we aware of hacking, and some tools which is hacker may use. Now we can see what we can do against hacking or to protect ourselves from the hacking. The first thing we should do is to keep ourselves updated about those softwares and using the official and reliable sources, or educate the employee and users against the black hat hacking. Future enhancement. Sorry, these are the references that I was used. Thanks.